Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a great day. Happy Independence Day to all of my American viewers and friends. You guys are probably out having a good time and possibly buying some cheap GPUs today. I'm curious to see if there's any sales, so in this video we're going to keep it simple and we're just going to see if there's any deals on right now on a bunch of online e-tailers. So we're going to go through that and look at a bunch of websites. Hopefully it might help you guys if you haven't bought any already, but let me know in the comments. And of course, on this beautiful Independence Day, it's probably nice to see that Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market going back up a bit. We're creeping back up at 12,000 USD. It was probably a little bit scary to see Bitcoin go under 10,000 a couple days ago, but you know, of course, volatility, all that kind of stuff. And what I wanted to talk about, guys, before I begin showing you guys some prices of cards on Independence Day is I started a poll a couple days ago, actually just a day ago, and crypto miners, I asked crypto miners, how addicted are you when it comes to looking at mining hardware prices? Okay, so there's about 328 votes that you guys did, and about 27% said once a day, pretty good, couple times a week, 30%, 19% for multiple times a day, and 20% for when I have funds to buy hardware. That's pretty cool. And then 4% never. So looking at this, guys, most of you guys look at it a couple times a week. I would say most of you average crypto miners out there. But for myself, I'm under the multiple times a day. And I know it looks like 19% of you do that, 19 multiple times per day. I'm one of those people. And yeah, good times. I mean, I would say I'm pretty addicted to looking at hardware prices. Let's read some comments here. Gone Insane has said, crap choices. I'd have preferred an option once per hour. Gone Insane. That you're too funny, man. And then let's see, James, he says here, waiting to see the price drops after the RX 5700 and XT version and NVIDIA Super Series launch. Okay, so James, that's a really solid play, and I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people are actually waiting after to see if the prices would drop. So that's another scenario that people could do. But anyways, guys, let's go through. I have a bunch of Etailer websites that I'm going to go through. I wonder if some of you guys shop on these websites. I would love to know. Let me know if you guys found a deal and bought something. Let me know in the comments, guys. I'm genuinely curious. So let's begin. I'm going to showcase you guys first nerdgears.com. This is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored by them, but I thought I'd showcase this website to them because in about an hour, well, as of making this video, an hour and 51 minutes, and by the time you guys see this video, go to nerdgears.com and they will have a very special Independence Day, one day only special deal. I'm not sure if it's a coupon code or something. I think they're doing a couple things, so check on their website right now. If you guys are looking at this video right now, I have it linked down below. Nerdgears.com. Okay, that's Nerdgears with a Z or a Z, depending how you guys pronounce Z or Z. So check that out, guys. They sell CPUs, crypto mining hardware, graphic cards, pre-built machines, ASIC miners, and all that kind of stuff. So let's just look at graphic cards, because mainly I want to look at graphic cards for you guys. So let's see what they got here. They got RX 470s. Looks like they're sold out, but I did hear that they will be stocking the website on Independence Day. So this might all change, and there might be some new cards by the time this sale comes. So it looks like they got P106 cards for sale still, $89 USD. That's really cheap. I haven't seen this price anywhere else. As well, let's just keep going down the cards that I like here. Looks like we got a RX 580, 8GB blower style card, $109. I mean, that's not too bad. And then we got a Red Devil RX 580, 8GB card, 115 USD. Pretty good price. Let's keep going down. Where's some NVIDIA cards here? Okay, so, P104 sold out. Okay, let's go to the second page. And okay, so we got a RTX 2070 8GB for $454 USD. This is a Gigabyte Aorus model Extreme. Wow, this is a really nice card. Looks like we got some 1080 Ti for the Win 3 edition cards for $554. Wow, pretty good deal. And a 1080 Ti Hydro for $579. Ah, pretty cool. And we got some other RTX cards, 2080 for $600 and a 2080 Ti for $1,000 USD. Ooh, that's a pretty penny. Anyways, guys, check these prices out, guys. I wonder if the coupon code, if there is one on Independence Day, check it out, guys. You'll get a deal off your whole order probably. And good times, good times. Nerdgears.com, guys. They have the best prices of graphic cards anywhere. I just check it out. See if you guys can you can compare to other websites. Okay, the next website that I probably buy most of my hardware off of in past years is Amazon. And I know that a lot of you guys buy Amazon stuff as well. And let's just see here. So let's just search up 1660 Ti, one of the staple video cards, in my opinion, that are really efficient in terms of the hash rate to wattage efficiency. And in terms of price for a brand new card, it's really good. So look at this. An MSI, the 1660 Ti version. This is the Ventus version, I believe. Yeah, Ventus SX XS version, 6GB card. And 269. The price of these cards have actually gone up about $10 or $20. So I would say about a couple months ago, these were $249. So as the crypto market is going up, slowly, the prices of GPUs are also going up a little bit. So, but 269 for these cards, really good. As well, looks like the Gaming X edition is a good model as well for $299, a bit more, but you're getting a better fan, I guess, aftermarket fan on it, aftermarket cooler, and EVGA looks like a 1660. Okay, so this is the non-TI version for $229. Solid card. EVGA, I'm a big fan of EVGA cards. Let's see here. Okay, I don't see, Gigabyte or Asus. I wouldn't really go for these brands. Asus is fine. Gigabyte I'm not a big fan of for GPUs. But MSI and Asus and EVGA, you can't go wrong. Okay, so that's Amazon. Let's just check out RX. Let's check out the Radeon 7. Let's see how much these are. If there's any for sale. Okay, so $679.99. Okay, so Radeon 7s are still the same price. I think they've actually come down in price. They used to be $699 USD. So wow, interesting. $679. Okay, so Amazon, guys. I know a lot of you guys shop on Amazon. If you guys would like, I have an Amazon affiliate. So if you guys buy anything on Amazon, please use my links down below. I just get a little commission or kickback from it. It's no cost to you guys, and it helps me and it helps out the channel for projects and kind of stuff. So thanks so much, guys. All right, the next website let's go through is eBay.com. Probably a really popular website that most people would probably, buy used hardware. And eBay.com. So let's see here. It looks like they have a sizzling deals, July 4th steals. Okay. So if I click on this, I don't think I'm going to see video cards. I'm not going to see video cards here, but I wonder if they have a coupon code. So it looks like they only have it on select home and garden products. I remember they used to have a coupon code for the whole website. Normally they used to have a whole website coupon, so I haven't really seen that today, but maybe you guys might see it by the time you see this video. Okay, so let's search up some video cards here. 1070 on eBay for used. So I'm a pretty big proponent of buying used GPUs just because it's a lot cheaper and you can get more out of your money in terms of hash rate and just value, I guess. So let's just go to recently sold GTX 1070s. All right, let's see here. 185. Okay, not bad. 170 for GTX 1070 Gaming X. Ooh, this is a nice one. MSI version. Wow, this guy just sold one for 170. Let's see. EVGA 155. Pretty good deal. 269 1070 Ti Amp Edition. Oh, this is a Ti. Okay, so normally Ti versions are going to cost a little bit more, like I would say $40 to $60 more than the 1070 one. And then let's see, 239, 242, wow, 77. Oh, that's a broken one. 192, 214, 195. Okay, so GTX 1070s, they're going for around $200, I would say. So not bad. They haven't really gone up in price in the past year, in the past couple months. So still good prices for 1070s. So check it out. Check it out, guys. eBay.com. Craigslist. Okay, Craigslist. I'm a really big proponent. A very big, I would say. Craigslist is my favorite website. Okay, to buy used hardware. Actually, I would say eBay would be second, but Craigslist is definitely one of my firsts. Just because you're able to barter and really gauge to see with the person how well they took care of their GPUs, either if they're gaming or mining. You can really ask a lot of specific questions to the seller. So, I mean, you can do that on eBay as well, but with Craigslist, a little bit more personal if you meet them in person. So, yeah, I would say with Craigslist, it looks like 1070s and any other version, any other card models, you're probably gonna find pretty good deals on Craigslist. They're gonna vary in price, but with Craigslist, you're able to barter. So, pretty good times with Craigslist, in my opinion. So check that out, guys. I was just looking in the Bay Area in San Francisco, so they're going around 200 to 250. So. Okay, next website, guys, is Walmart.com. This is one of the sites that was recommended to me from a Discord member named Steve. And Steve, I'm on Walmart.com just for you, my friend. So let's take a look at this. I checked it out earlier, and I didn't really see any good deals for Independence Day. But it looks like there's some EVGA GTX 1650 for $160. So if I go to Amazon, type in 1650... let's see, how much do these go for? Okay, so back to the Walmart website, $159. Okay, so yeah, EVGA. Okay, the exact same video card is going for $153 on Amazon. So it's cheaper on Amazon. All right, so I'm not even gonna recommend Walmart. I don't know. Maybe you guys might find a special deal on Walmart, but I'm from Canada, and I don't see GPU sales in Canada for Walmart.com or Walmart.ca. So interesting. Okay, next website, guys. I don't know. I don't buy graphic cards from Best Buy, but maybe some of you guys do, and I would probably look at Best Buy because they usually have some deals in terms of electronics. And I was just curious to see if Best Buy would have it, and it looks like they do have GPU deals. For BestBuy.com, so check it out. I can see that on Amazon it looks like it's a little bit cheaper for some cards. It looks like the 1660 Ti, the MSI Gaming X, is the same price as Amazon. So let's just go check here. 1660 Ti Gaming X edition, yeah, $299. So it's the same price on Walmart.com. Pretty cool. Or BestBuy.com. Pretty cool. So it's just another site, guys, that you guys can check out, and maybe in your local area these prices may be different. I'm just generally looking based on, I guess, it might depend on your location. I'm not sure if Best Buy does that. Okay, next website I'm checking out is Fries.com. I wonder if this is another favored website for a lot of you GPU miners. Let me know down in the comments. I know that Fries.com, they have a location pretty much in a lot of different states. So I didn't really see much GPU deals here except for some cheap AMD cards. But check that out, guys, Fries.com. All right, I'm going to go a little bit fast here. The video is getting a little bit long. I'm sorry. Let's look at ZOTAC, guys. ZOTAC refurbished, okay? So these are for used cards. I generally actually find some really good deals for used cards, NVIDIA cards on ZOTAC's website. And as you can see here, there's a GTX 1070 Founders Edition for $233.99. That's a pretty good deal for this card. It's a Founders Edition as well. And then even cheaper, for $224 is a ZOTAC, the regular non-Founders Edition, the 3 fan model. And that looks like that's all on their deals right now. So check that out, guys, if you guys are interested. And another website that's pretty popular is Newegg.com. I know a lot of you guys probably use Newegg to buy your crypto mining hardware as well. I mean, that's pretty. Newegg and Amazon for new hardware is probably the most popular for most of you. And I didn't actually see any Independence Day deals on Neweggs.com. So maybe, oh, here we go, July 4th sale. All right, so here it is. All right, we got a 2080 Ti for $1,300. Holy smoke, that's a lot. Let's see, any other GPU deals here? Okay, RTX 2070 for $499. Okay, not too bad. I mean, if we go to nerdgears.com, you're looking at a used 2070 for, let's see here, $454. So a bit cheaper on the nerdgears.com, and you're getting a better, I think, a better video card brand as well. The Gigabyte Aorus Extreme, such a expensive card. Okay, what else here? Looks like the Newegg has some 570s for $149, 2080 for $739. Ooh, a 2070 Duke. Wow, this is a long card for $504. And yeah, there's probably more, but check that out, guys. Newegg.com. Let me know if you guys bought anything from there. Micro Center is another site, probably really popular for a lot of you guys. I'm not sure. I heard from Micro Center from Bitsby Trippin back in the day. He used to make vlogs going to here and buying GPUs. So at the moment, it looks like Micro Center for Independence Day has 2 GPUs for sale. So we got a Red Dragon Vega 56 for $298. Interesting. And then we got a EVGA For the Win 3 edition for RTX 2070 for $619. Wow. This is a pretty solid card. Wow, pretty ballin' too. This is the For the Win edition card. This is probably a beefy card. Really big card. Oh yeah, 3 fans. Definitely a big card. All right, guys. So Micro Center, check that out. And I can't forget about my Canadian friends. I know I have a bunch of Canadian viewers as well. So Kijiji, guys. I don't know if you guys really look at Kijiji. I'm not a big fan of Kijiji, but I use Craigslist mainly. And then Mike's Computer Shop in Canada, they're pretty good for new hardware, cheap prices as well. You can price match as well. Memory Express in Canada, good deals too for my Canadian friends. Cards in Canada cost GPU prices in Canada cost a lot. And looks like Canada Computers, looks like they're still having their extended Canada Day sale. So I guess we can coincide our Canada Day and Independence Day in one video, guys. Pretty funny. And then lastly, I'm just going to end off with EVGA. Looks like their website, they're showcasing their new RTX Super cards. And at the bottom here, it shows that they have the SKUs, the SKUs for the 2080 Super, 2070, and 2060 Supers. So they have multiple different versions of these Super cards that are coming out real soon. So let me know down below, guys, if you guys are going to be waiting for that in a couple days. If not, if you're buying some cheap used GPUs now, let me know. Anyways, guys, this is a long video. I'm sorry for that, but let me know what you guys think. You know, check out nerdgears.com. They have the best prices right now. I wonder if you guys can score a really good deal on their Independence Day sale. And yeah, just let me know if you guys bought anything today. So thanks so much, guys. I hope this video helped you for some American friends and maybe some Canadian friends buying some GPUs on Independence Day today. So have a good one, guys. Happy cryptocurrency market. Happy Independence Day to all my American friends. And I'll see you guys on the moon and in the next video. Have a good one, guys. Be safe and peace out.